Namaskar to all, Honorable Minister Dr. Valiathan ji, Professor Gigi, Professor Patwardhan ji, Dr. Bodekar, and all dignitaries. And this is the loss of Dr. Warrior is a loss of the nation also. We all know that, and actually I have no word to express how we can fill this gap. But Dr. Bodekar rightly said that he had this 100 years of life full of contributions and energy, and he was ever young, even at the age of 100. So that is Ayurveda, and we all, uh, will take the lesson from him, how we all also uh, live 100 years following his path and legacy. We all know that he has made special efforts to incorporate technological innovations in the manufacturing processes of Ayurvedic medicine. He is actually the first who was talking about the quality aspects of Ayurvedic medicine and while manufacturing, and then qualitative medicine is his contribution in the Free India. In order to make the medicinal preparations more accurate, he even established a research laboratory for the identification of medicinal plants and to ascertain the chemical identity of its pharmaceutical constituents. So he was first in establishing all these things. This was to equip Ayurveda to confront future healthcare challenges. Now, this facility established by him has grown into the Center for Medicinal Plant Research, a full-fledged research institution which is known for his contribution. So usually when we acknowledge his contributions, we acknowledge his contributions in the form of Arya Vaidyashala and the clinical setup, which is delivering a lot and equally serving the people of all sectors of life. His model, we all know that his model of serving the people was unique, is unique. That is a trust model where he was a strong believer to give back to the community and to the nation whatever is coming to the his and his team's professional service. It is a unique model, and this model is very highly appreciated by all of us. That is why a self-sustaining college is running there, and this college is also having a lot of contribution in the form of great scholars coming out from this college. uh, in his more than 70-decade career, Dr. Warrior set a benchmark for the Indian traditional healing system and played a pivotal role for the renaissance of Ayurveda, and the Arya Vaidyashala grew into a premier center of Ayurvedic medicine, converting traditional healing with a modern outlook while preserving its classical methods. This is all his contribution. Actually, uh, Kerala, in so many places, when we talk about Ayurveda, Arya Vaidyasala is synonymous to Ayurveda. When we talk about the Kerala Ayurveda traditions, it is that much like influence and contribution from him that we all fondly remember and will remember forever. In the later decades, he also modernizing drug manufacturing, adopted scientific methods in prescription and treatment, promoted cultivation of medicinal plants to ensure steady supply of herbs, started research and launched a publication division to popularize Ayurveda among scientific fraternity. So in one small life, we can imagine how many areas he has contributed, not only the clinical practice but scientific research, publication, medicine plant cultivation, uh, research institution, medicine plant research. So you name it, and he did some contribution into the sector, and he had a lot of contacts with the best scientists of the country and abroad, and he had a great influence on them. Uh, and he has actually converted a lot of such scientists into the Ayurveda Bhakta, because he was able to convince them that this is a science and it needs more and more validation, and probably most of us are are strong believer of that particular legacy of Dr. Warrier, and I only remember him, and we hope and we pray for the ultimate freedom for his soul. But on the occasion of Guru Purnima of today, it's the right day, and to pay respect to Dr. Warrier, because he has proved that he was Guru Nam Guru. He was Guru of Gurus, and the day of Guru Purnima is actually the right day to meet together and have a commemorative symposium and to talk about his contributions. And he has a great life, and then it is a celebration of his life actually. So in place of we say that, oh, it is too sad, we should say that he has actually lived 100 years and he has contributed a lot. Let's together take his task forward and make it big. That is what I wanted to convey, and I sincerely, from Government of India, wanted to convey my regards and condolences to the family of Dr. Warrier. Namaskaram. Thank you.